Module 7, Lesson 21, Volume of Composite Solids. Composite solids means you have more than one shape put together. So we have a sphere sitting on top of a cylinder sitting on top of a cone. Now we do have to be careful because the sphere actually does go down into the cylinder some, so we don't want to count that volume twice. So really what we're going to have here is half of a sphere. The volume for a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed, but we're going to have half of that, so we're going to divide it by 2. Cylinder in the middle, volume of a cylinder is pi r squared times the height, and the cone on the bottom, the volume is 1/3 pi r squared times the height. So we just have to figure out what these numbers are. Well, it tells us here that the radius is 4. That means the radius here is 4, the radius here is 4, all three shapes the radius will be 4. The height of the cylinder is 10, and the height of the cone is 6. So we just plug these numbers in, let the calculator do the work for us. All right, so let's see. 4/3 times pi times the radius we said was 4 cubed, and then we need to divide that answer by 2. When we do that, we get 134.04. For the cylinder, volume equals pi times the radius, which we said was 4, squared times the height, which is 10. So when we work this out, we get 502.65. And the cone volume is 1/3 times pi times the radius, which again is 4, squared times the height now for the cone is 6. When we work that all out, we get 100.53. Now to find the combination of all three pieces, the half sphere, the cylinder, and the cone, we're going to add these three pieces together, which gives us approximately 737.22, and then whatever the units this would be units cubed. So inches cubed, feet cubed, meters cubed. All right, so take the individual pieces, find the volume of them, and then add them together.